party to me ma wakwanya say we dear nipa ye fro say ufri kro benso ufri ai brono benso na party to me ma wakwanya ma obeye MP a party na ye ade a eso buburu bibia so amaw be dia na ye hu ye party MPC bi ni mpanifo e bi say yato aba me mabeye MP akufo ado ma me board ma me nkose so o ma me appointment Emma ye party MPs mienu etimi dis are suppose yawo ekotu abama agbangbagben Emma ene odi minimum ni obia ni Ghanafo nyina ni simply because anka party amawa akwanya edi wap jira baby krobia so me bo krobia nyese e chese eho MP na to aba no ma no na emom wa ma akwanya ma wa baye MP first place who your MP a who on your friend or whatever I take it here I passport or the service passport out medical baby who call aquantio bia who per diem who I be so a normal baby and no for so kekrampo e bruso into se party any akufo ado ni MP pempanyefo ama wakwanya ma wabedi MP a menua en sese wo san betra ho se ye ma me position ntino eno ntimi di hu ya wakwa koto aba ama agbangbagbe yaw no a ya mo ye kretima ye ho enu ene ede ye brei ede na ese ye the ese ye ne say solution no ni MPP for by general the emima ho a me share party no mo besi ene 1992 a me share say di party na chi besi ene no ma ho say MPP for in general ye obi a ye very ungrateful adien soyani MPP party ma adie so ya ne because adie a wo be MPP benya enso na ne say akufo ado nya hwe maame party ba ya menya hwe no NDC nya sa adie no kotape odi beto ayeyi nyum abo ari ni party mpanifo mrani sa ne mradi sa e akona ewo mo ma me example abrante bi obreku oye madam for ya NDC ni NDC for ba power from time na JJT so na onya hwe indeed na anu inso ebesi na no na onya hwe indeed beda bia se ne bra bi kan say say Jehovah Witness no every blessed day since 2022 onya hwe but then he is the first person or champion MP NDC any John Mama ewo breku ne mission nyina ne say o say na no onya ya part no ba power na ebinum nya ye no say de NDC sanya bi mo bia na ben no inti obekoso akoni ho ama NDC na bia china bi ne de beba but MPP for there na we mu oh ya ba last 2 years Kufuor menya hwe oh I Kufuor do samba ya third first time menya hwe oh ya samba second time menya hwe and yes adia obese no eno na wo MPP for mu ya problem no nyina no the say ye ebinum a ye very grateful because Akufo do buy party boys a minimum omoko immigration omoko ayi na no ambulance say buy ya for omosem omoko police yes their parents and they themselves come on radio Akufo do buy no nya hwe ni nyina ne say ya ma na koye police ni na emo ye ma ne bra minister into onya hwe no emi Akufo do buy mimi ti America ho na ndie manya no faso di amanya no because that time na girl bia na military mpra no connection training Akufo do buy otu alawa no na afi na me manage ska biom the scanner can say medical $100 every month bia no na me save nti minya no mfaso free SHS September to remember anytime bia na September beba bia na ya ba be Jimmy sika and na Akufo do buy all the free education buy every month bia every September bia na say me $1,000 $4,000 $3 e come na for church mess or mumba school fees and then min tuabio into every September bia me save $1,000 no me save no be 2-3 years and na ma pay bia ka na me dia talker and nti na mo hu say medical because Ghana 2019 me too no say Akufo adoba no sa faso die na manya me na no me call Ghana from this MPP for baso madam right mo
na je say wo wa broche no na adoba ye no watimi policies amana save Ghana ni bia ma wo so ho ato
very good na hwe ne me kai e na me kire wo no Tamu na do so ho no me call Ghana 2014 me call 121 days me da light mu only 18 days pe Mo amuko school no mpacho 18 days from 121 days. Aka say 103. 103 no me dadu so musa enu so na me say twa live mail kese. Na no me say call Ghana me call 78 days. The light or mudum light once. Na ye 1 hour. The second one na ye 3 hours dum so. Ndia kan enu achi na me that kania mu no so. Ya ta live mail so a na ne boyefo. Inti sa no mo we na say ultimate trust now calculate now your permutation now who say Akufo-Addo bae no wanya mfaso na nyam ye say obekọ akọchichiri sika say e dia maw e na che say wanya bibio me analysis amaya akire mu mfaso di amanya afri Akufo-Addo enoma mo hwe na ado me call ye say nuane abu uko me yi 50 cedis a banchi ni ade na ya wofo mama di eno so ye planting for food e ho mfaso die no na the last one I'm trying to say.
But Adana, one more ton cement, no more ton, and just a no maybe not a free Ghana Munadania go bet, and no maybe a mamma boy, and when I say by Moon Penny for a treasure some Rama Ghana for Confas or Ton woman.
And then I make cultural say, and I'm saying why your policy say benchmark values or Kofa there would you gum ama dear net why then et me juma. That was the case we faced. I decided to dedicate my page to just speak the truth. Na eja mo amu ye ni na ekoto aba. Ansa na ye ekoto aba mo amu follow me no me ye adwuma kakra o me page so. Ye to aba wie ye NDC for so mo ntia ase. Na me ye videos bi enne no me pese ye bebo kakra as we are here so that people would know how our political zone we know God has brought us to be. First and foremost, mantis our page we say me de be propaganda and I me de be kasa ama MPP nkwa debi. Me ideologies and ideology I mean ya adwene MPP for. Okay, but me ti page we say memma no kre na de di ama ye nuano mu asebi ye ntimi nkan na ya tiase no. That was why this page was formed, so that people can get to know the truth. And utina na jo me spend countless hours na me dey research nkrofo adeda na homache na me research na nkrofo bi sa me to ye den na oda to bring you people the truth. Ya to abawie ye ni na ye wo ho ene ye hu ye maame Mary Ponua Buadu wono de o kan ne ma e de won share dem say yen nuano mu gu Ghana de omo storm out nkoko me tu mani si ne so ka kire ne say me mama na ejai sansem hunu no say de ono aso akodwan ni NDC but akodwan ni no awusu akodwan ni apatekuo ku enti ene wunim obeka positive ba kuma NDC a ade e beti no ho say there be say team no wo no mu ye there's a adwene no wo fom nti no ase aba no ase atwa no ho no